Open the Flitpay app and log into your account using your registered email ID and password. Then, tap on Wallet in the bottom navigation bar of the app. Click on Withdraw and select the INR withdraw option. Choose the Standard Withdrawal. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and make withdrawal. To confirm your INR withdrawal, enter OTP from email, mobile number and Google Authenticator, and click Submit to confirm. After submitting the withdrawal request successfully, sit back and relax. The withdrawal amount will be reflected in your bank account within 24 to 48 hours. Crypto products and NFTs are unregulatory and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. For any queries and concern, write to us at support.flitpay.com.